I was really a chubby kid naman talaga eh.
Okay.
So I grew up with my weight always yo-yoed. So I would be big
Mm.
and small, big and small, and so weight has always been an issue for me. And
Okay.
people would always tell me na pataba ako. Really hard. And now I feel like I'm in a
Mm.
good place because nagpapayat ako for myself, for my
Okay.
health. I exercise regularly. I eat healthy because it's important for me to feel good. It's
Okay.
not for anyone else.
Mm.
And after I lost weight, after giving birth, people
Mm.
were still body shaming me in a way because they were saying like, bakit ganyan? Kakapanganak mo lang, tapos
Mm.
bigla ka pumayat. Like, anong pinaglalaban mo? Parang ganyan. I mean,
Mm.
they were making it like it was a bad thing because
Mm.
I'm trying to show
Mm.
that I'm so um, I'm so narcissistic
Mm.
about being skinny agad, and I just want to clarify that that's not why I do it. I really
Mm.
take care of myself because it makes me feel good
Okay.
and it makes me be a better mom for my son. Kasi lagi nila sinasabi na kapag mistisa ka, then
Mm.
pang-kontrabida ka lang. So I always got
Mm.
that. Yeah. So, there are many
Mm.
times na gusto ko maging morena hanggang ngayon, but wala akong magagawa eh.
Mm.
It does. It really, I mean, it did. It really affected my skin. And since I'm not super arte with my skincare and things like that, I just take a lot of supplements and vitamins, and I make sure to go to the derma para magpa-facial, para magpaganda, so I feel better about my skin. But there are a lot of days when it's not good. But wala akong magagawa doon. We all have like hormonal changes and go through um, that phase, diba? So it's more of just going with the flow and trying to make sure that I'm eating healthy so that I don't break out. Definitely the amino collagen powder because it's super easy to drink on the go. You just put it in whatever drink. Could be juice, could be Coke, could be coffee, lahat. And it really makes a difference for isn't as firm as it used to be, and we really need collagen to help tighten our skin and regenerate new skin cells. So I would highly recommend it.
So actually, ma'am, I guess making an endorser doesn't only be physically. So dapat maganda din yung image niya sa industry natin sa industry ng acting, modeling. So wala siyang bad record. So it's a nice parang nice criteria for us na i-consider siya bilang endorser natin. The looks she has it physically na maganda na talaga siya. But we also admire her genuineness. Kaya we take her as as our endorser. So yun po. Actually, ma'am, both po ang target market namin, women, men and women po. Kasi everyone naman deserves na everyone must take care of their skin, not only women, especially ngayon sa generation natin ngayon. Hindi na lang female ang mga vain. Meron na rin mga men na vain. So, we cater both. We cater both female and male po. And hindi po yung products namin. It's not for female only, for male only. So, very pwede siya for both.
Para sa akin, it's really a glow about person. It's really their aura overall. Kasi not like everyone has different facial features, but then there's just something about someone that makes them beautiful, and you don't know what exactly that is. So for me, I'm really sensitive to people's auras. So that's what makes a person beautiful to me. It's really the energy that they have. My first impression was what makes it a standout to me are three P's. So it happens to be the product itself and the price and the packaging. So packaging nila because it's in a glass bottle, and uh, even the powdered drinks, they have really nice labeling. And at the same time, the product is 100%. And then also the price, it's so affordable. So I feel like all three of those P's make it exceptional. So that's what makes them stand out from their competitors. Yung maganda ngayon is kasi yung social media na. So you can go online and research about the product and figure out if babagay siya sa'yo, or I mean things like that. There's so much information. When I was first introduced to Aquaskin, I did a lot of research about it. And so many people love it pala. So that's what intrigued me about Aquaskin. But going back to your question, nung bata ako, wala akong masyadong, hindi pa uso yung social media, diba? So I had so many awkward phases, and my beauty regimen was almost a zero, because I really didn't know what I was doing, or putting on my face or drinking. So now I love that we're so much more informed, and it really helps us make better choices when choosing our products. You can and can't do. Okay, so you can't eat junk food and oily food palagi. You can't not take supplements and vitamins because that's so important. Especially nowadays, we're always lacking something internally, so we definitely have to take care of our overall health. What you can do is have some me time at the derma, take your vitamins and supplements every day, work out and get some endorphins, and just take care of your overall health, mentally, physically, emotionally. How do I handle stress? It's really keeping a routine is what keeps me sane. Kasi before, nanibago ako staying home all the time and doing events like these virtually, but now medyo nasanay na ako, and I have a routine that I stick to. But what really helped me adjust is accepting the fact that I just have to adapt to the situation now. I feel like for so long we thought na okay, lalabas ako kapag okay ng lahat. Okay, gagawin ko ito kapag okay ng lahat. But hindi talaga magiging okay ang lahat. The time na tinanggap ko yun, that's the time that I felt free, because now I know that I just have to adjust and adapt to our situation. Insecure, not just physically, but also like in life, kumbaga, parang ganon.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, definitely, because like when I was younger and I didn't really know what I wanted to do in life, I wasn't sure kung gusto ko ba talaga maging artista. That was hard for me because I didn't know what path I would take, and it took a while. It took a long time. So I've been in showbiz for almost 15 years now. So it took a long time before I realized that this is my one true love, talaga yung pagiging artista, being in showbiz. And so yeah, that made me very insecure for the longest time. Paano ko na-prioritize yung health ng skin ko? Well, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi, pero totoo kasi yun. It's really all about eating right, sleeping well, working out. So, when you work out, diba, you're taking care of your skin kasi the toxins come out in your sweat. And the same thing goes for taking supplements. You are really giving back the nutrients to your body, lalo na for your mom, because we lose so much nutrients as we get older and after giving birth. So we really need help of like collagen and all these other supplements out there. So that really makes a big difference for our skin. Yeah. It's really important for me to have a yoga mat because I do yoga every day at Lockheed Taping. A treadmill so I can do my cardio in case na umuulan. my collagen powder from Aqua Skin. Also, I have like a cryo stick. It's an ice stick for my face to like close the pores before putting on makeup. So those are my must-haves in lock-in taping to help me stay glowing. Kumbaga.
We also have Alan Sancon of Stars Photog.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, Kuya Alan.
Hi, Max. Hi, Ma'am Max. Kasi ma'am, parang what a coincidence, parang Max po ba? Kaya po ba si Max yung kinuha niyo? Parang kayong Max na dalawa. Coincidence lang po ba yan? First question ko before kay Max Collins, kay Ma'am Max Perez po. Curious lang po kami kung ano, bakit po aqua skin? Di ba pag sinabi nating aqua, it's water. Di ba? Parang what's something special about this aqua skin?
Actually, sir, the brand itself is from Japan. So kami ang parang counterpart here in the Philippines. So the brand itself, Aqua, kasi parang flowing, parang everything goes naturally lang. Ayaw namin ng too much na pampaputi, too much na, I mean, anything too much, parang gano'n. So we wanted na parang very clear lang, very neat lang, gano'n. So it's Aqua Skin. So yun yung nag-start yung branding talaga.
Thank you for that answer. At least we know already. Hi Max, congratulations. To your new, yung teleserye mo na talaga namang top rating din. And then new endorsement, di ba? You deserve it naman kasi you're so a nice person, di ba? So yung tanong ko lang Max, para kasing di ba? Parang hindi nagbago yung itsura mo since na nagsimula ka and even up to now, mother ka na, di ba? So, kasi parang sinasabi nila, mas maganda daw if natural beauty. Yan. Ikaw ba meron ka ring insecurities to yourself na parang gusto kong pabago to, parang you believe dun sa natural beauty na you have to work on it na naturally, parang gano'n.
I believe in both. I think they're both important because now we have so much technology out there that can help us gumanda na hindi kailangan naturally, but syempre mas maganda kung naturally because that's the healthy way. So I feel like they go hand in hand. Like naturally taking supplements that will help your skin, your whole overall well-being, your health. But then I'm also okay with things like Botox, things like fillers. I feel like it's our generation now, or it's the generation now. So things are technology so advanced now. So I think I'm open to other ways of being beautiful.
Kitang-kita naman that nag-glow yung skin mo because of that that thing. Yung second yung second question sa iyo Max. Kasi parang you're so busy with your teleserye and alam natin di ba? Yung spot ng light, di ba? ng camera, di ba? Nakaka-apekto yun to yung skin para hindi maging healthy. Ikaw, how you protect yourself dun sa mga ganong klaseng, di ba? Yung mga lights coming from the camera, from the
Well, tamad kasi ako mag sunblock. That's really important, but I'm tamad. So I drink it orally with Aqua Skin's products kasi there's a UVA component that helps protect the skin from the sun rays. So I feel like that protects my skin during taping.
Last on me. Sabi nila masyadong maraming product yung Aqua Skin, di ba? Para lalo na pag endorser ka, lahat sa'yo ipapatry eh.
Dami.
So ngayon, ikaw, ano yung pinaka-favorite na na marirecommend mo dun sa kapwa-artista mo or to your fans to use personally dun sa Aqua Skin, sa dinami-dami ng product ng Aqua Skin? Ano yung most favorite mo?
My favorite, kasi bago siya. bago siya, and it's easy kasi to drink with any, like, since I'm mahilig sa kape, gusto ko medyo premium coffee ko. That's why I put the amino collagen powder in my coffee sa umaga. Kasi that's really the easiest way for me to drink my supplement. Kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko uminom ng supplement from the bottle. So that's why that would be the product that I recommend.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Congratulations to your new
Thanks,
endorsement.
Kuya Alan.
Thank you, Miss Max. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
po.
you very much, Mr.
Thank you,
Alan
Queen.
Sancon
Thank
of
you.
Stars Photog. Thank you so much.